Welcome to a box break by TradeCardsNow.com, sponsored by Upper Deck. Today we're doing a box of Upper Deck '09 baseball. This is a hobby box, 16 packs per box, 20 cards per pack. It's also 3 hits per box. Make sure to visit upperdeck.com and TradeCardsNow.com. Nice big thick packs. Get right into this. Try to go through this quickly. So we'll start out with Red Sox, Mike Lowell. That's what those cards look like. Tons of stats on the back. Baker, team checklist. Fernando Perez, rookie card. We've got an insert. Chase Utley. Got a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar card. Interesting. Inserts, save 20%. Another Fernando Perez rookie. Ben Sheets. Ryan Dempster, Brandon Webb, Travis Snyder rookie, a team leaders, got a Joba Chamberlain. These Yankee cards we've been seeing in all the products. Team USA card. Another Travis Snyder. Looks like you're getting the same rookie. Okay, Jermaine Dye. Team leaders for the looks like the Blue Jays checklist. Historic first predictors. College football adopts the playoff season. Got a Roger Craig. Grinch might want to see that. Big Niner fan. Utley. No rookies that time. Konerko. Carlos Lee. Robert Parnell rookie. Another team leaders. Andy Pettit. Yankee card. Oh, we got our first hit. First we're going to show off this Team USA card. This would be a dual swatch numbered out of 149. Got the pinstripe in there. Don't even want to attempt to pronounce this guy's name. Rockies player. Right in on that. So there's hit number 1. Team leaders. Okay, I'm gonna try to fly through a few packs here. Jay Bruce. Historic first Indian players to sign MLB contracts. Dallas Cowboys card. Robert Purnell. Josh Beckett, Roy Oswalt, James Parr rookie, the documentary card, James Parr rookie, oh, we had our auto got stuck behind one of our decoy cards. Aaron Laffey. Right up on that. Auto is not numbered. Let's actually move these up. We have one more hit. Rookie, another Team USA, a Manny documentary card, team leaders, Derek Lowe, Sizemore, Nomar, team leaders, David Wright, George Sr., George Bush, A-Rod, just announced he's Aaron Cunningham, rookie. A-Rod announced he had going in for that surgery. Cunningham, rookie.